الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. اللهم إنا نسألك بأن لك الحمد لا إله إلا أنت المنان بديع السماوات والأرض يا ذا الجلال والإكرام يا حي يا قيوم برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا رب العالمين. اللهم بارك في خريجنا وخريجات، اللهم بارك لهم في علمهم برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا رب العالمين. وصلى الله وبارك على نبينا محمد وآله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. بارك الله فيكم.
Notre patrie, nous travaillons et nous prions afin que nous vivions dans l'unité, la liberté, la paix chaque jour. Laissez la justice nous guider vers le bien commun et s'affilier à nos divers peuples pour trouver la fraternité de l'homme. Nous promettons notre frère à l'aidant, notre promesse de nous renouveler par nous, grande des nations, pour faire toujours.
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our honorable invited guests, most of whom are from the Gambia Police Force, personnel from the Security Police Station, personnel from Old Union Police Station, personnel from the Latvia Police Station, and our honorable guest speaker, who I understand. I also like to acknowledge the presence of all the parents and guardians who are here present with us today. I would like to also acknowledge the presence of all the staff members, the students, and all the graduating students of Hanson Academy. I would like to welcome all of you to the 8th graduation ceremony of Hanson Academy, Lower Basic, Upper Basic, and Daycare. I would like to thank each and every one of you who have find time in your busy schedules to come and celebrate with us today. Thank you so much, because this day would not have been possible without you. I would like to congratulate also all the graduating students of Hanson Academy, and I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to bless them and bless the knowledge that they have gained. I would like to also thank the management of Hanson Academy, the proprietors and the teachers. And on a final note, I would like to thank all the organizing committee members who were here yesterday until very late to make sure that this ground is set. So on that note, I welcome all of you to the 8th edition of Hanson Academy, and I wish that you guys are going to enjoy yourself with all our programs. Thank you so much, Uncle Jalo, the Vice Principal, Hanson Academy of Basic School, for that wonderful opening remark. Next on the agenda, we have the presentation of Daycare that are also graduating today. As we all know, graduation is not a day that is only meant for jubilation or celebration, but it's also a day that we recognize the achievements of both teachers, students, and hardworking individuals in our society. So, for that being the case, it is important for us to recognize the effort of teachers. As a Chinese proverb says, if you want to achieve something in a year, you sow rice. If you want to achieve something in a decade, you plant tree. But if you want to achieve something in a lifetime, you teach a child. So I will say thank you to all the teachers for your unwavering support to make sure that these teachers, the students are guided through the right path. So thank you, teachers of Hanson Academy, for your tremendous effort. I also thank the parents, the guardians, to make sure that they do all the means necessary to provide basic education to their kids. So today is not only meant for celebration. As we all know, teachers, students, the parents, they are all found in one umbrella. And we are celebrating today, which is a great day. So thank you, teachers, thank you, parents, and thank you, graduates, for your discipline, your hard work, to make sure that this day is a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Daycare, for welcoming my kids. These are our daycare. These are our daycare kids promoting from level 1. Okay, without wasting more time, we have 15 store revision today. That are sounds, numbers, root counting, 1 to 10, and A to Z. Singing of A to Z. Because daycare, we learn through singing. Yes. So that's what we have at colors. So after that, we will have a little bit, after that, we will have a little dance. Yes. Okay, without wasting more time, we are going with sounds. Hello. Now look at Auntie Penda. Everybody look at Auntie Penda there. Are you ready? Okay, we are starting with sounds. Now everybody look at Auntie Penda. Look at Penda. Now, what sound did Auntie Penda go? Now look at Auntie Penda. Look at Auntie Penda again. Auntie Penda, let's go. Yes, I will. Very good. Now, Auntie Penda, let's go. Again. Very good. Now look at Penda. Penda, let's go. What sound is that? Very good. Penda, let's go. What sound is that? Very good. Now we are going to numbers. Rush hour. Very good. No, let's mix it. Number 2 now. And look at Auntie Penda. What number is that? Number 2. Very good hour. Let's go fast. Look at Penda. Look at her. Very good. Now look at her. Number 3. Very good. Hour. What number? Very good hour. Letters. Look at Auntie Penda. What letter is that, Mama Korka? Letter B. Very good. Again. Letter C. Very good. What letter is that? Letter A. Very good, Mama Korka. Very good. Now we are going to root counting. We have root counting number 1 to 10. All will read number 1 to 10 for us. Very good, Umadrame. Very good. Now we are going for letters. Amikola will sing letter A to Z for us. That's what we have. So after that, let the DJ play some music for us.
We once again seize the opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to this spectacular event of Hanson Academy. It's the 8th of its kind. This is what the daycares are coming to do or coming to present for us. But before they do the presentation, I would like to recognize the presence of our guest speaker for the day, who is nobody else than Mr. Umar A. Baji. Mr. Umar A. Baji is a lecturer at the Gambia College School of Education. Sir, we are glad to have you in our midst. From him, I would also like to recognize the presence of the cluster monitor of the area, who is nobody else than Mr. Musa Gambi. He is the only one who normally comes to the school to check on what the teachers are doing. Yalla mo am pay bi, yalla pay business bi gina nak dem ci kanam. And I would also like to recognize the OC Brusubi Police Station, who is Bamba Konta, Bambasau Assistant Commissioner, Lower West Coast, Ali Badiju, Napio, MMA. Hey, okay. Thank you, sir. Ali Badiju is also Assistant Superintendent OC Laturia, Ibrahim Asane, Chief Inspector, Interpool, Abubakar Jase, CEO, Jase Investment Group, Musa Jame, as I already stated, Cluster Monitor, Maria Majo, a very dedicated parent who is always in the school to check on what the children or on what the son is doing there. We recognize your presence. Badiju, Badiju is the striker, Sukuta Police Station, and Omar A. Baji, our guest speaker. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the people we have on the high table. Can you give them a round of applause before these people keep on entertainment? I also, DG Online TV. It's also owned by a parent whose kids are at the school. He just called me, was it day before yesterday, and told me that we are going to give you free coverage for your event. So DG Online platform, thank you so much. We also recognize your presence. Thank you. Let's open our hands together to Auntie Baby and the entire team. Very happy to be a wonderful presentation. And Auntie Mama also, you are not going to get in the school. You can say you are an iron lady in the school. Since the instructions right there. Let's put our hands together for Auntie Mama.